Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul to do. Very itty bitty small tiny baby tool haul from Home Depot, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Hey everybody, so I went to Home Depot looking for some Milwaukee tools. I went to 4 different Home Depots. Probably drove about 160 miles one direction, looking for Home Depots to find some Milwaukee power tools. Problem is none of the Home Depots I went to had the die grinder, the new die grinder fuel, and none of them had the new multi-tool, the 4 attachment installation driver. So I didn't end up picking up anything from Milwaukee other than these Inkzol pens. The Home Depots around me, close to my house, which is not close, 50 miles is one direction, is not close, but that's the closest one to me. They don't ever carry these in the red, black, blue, and green. But the one that was pretty far away from me up in almost Mesa, Phoenix area, they had these, so I picked up a pack of these Inkzol 4-pack pens. It's like $4. I think this is like $4.97 or something. And then I picked up this Klien Tools Precision Flush Cutters, up to 16-aught, or 16 American wire gauge, I'm sorry. So I picked these up, and these were $9 and something cents. They were not bad. I do love my Klien tools. I have a lot of Klien tools when it comes to electrical stuff. These flush cutters are very, very nice. We're using these for zip ties and cutting wire quickly, stuff like that. They have a nice detent to them. The handles are nice. I've always liked Klien's handles, especially on some of their newer stuff. Like these guys right here. These are Klien's as well. These handles are very comfortable. And also these guys, which when I was there at Home Depot, I got these at Home Depot. These are Klien's. They also have these in a newer style. They have them in like a dark blue handle. Same head. The only issue I've ever had with these is the flat jaws on the top never actually meet. See the gap? It's the only problem I've ever had with these. But when you stick stuff in, in between them, they work perfectly fine. There's no issue with them. I use these a lot. They're very nice. I like them. So I picked up another set of Klien. I also have these wire cutters. These are Klien's. And you can see that I've slightly abused them, but they do exactly what they're supposed to. I cannot complain. So these right here are going to go in the electrical drawer with all the rest of the electrical pliers and crimpers and stuff like that. Crimp terminals, cutters. So, and then these I'm going to end up putting in with the other, with all of these. Here's my other two. I have 2 black ones already. So these are all my utility knives and some scrapers, some Hyper Tough scrapers, a couple of Milwaukee's curved knife, some DeWalt, Stanley box cutters. I have lots of box cutters. I have an older Stanley I have some Ulslas or Ulfas. I have Hyper Tough, DeWalt, Milwaukee, another Stanley, another couple older Stanleys over here, a flip style Stanley cat mat. So, but I'll put these in here for now. So thank you guys for watching. And the part number for the Klien Tools Precision Flush Cutters is D275-5, and the part number for the 4-pack for the Milwaukee Inksol Permanent Job Site Markers is 48-22-3106 if anybody's looking. And I'll see you guys on the next video. And again, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. Helps me purchase new items for review and testing when you use the Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.